Hello everyone, welcome back to SK CAD Solution. Today I am going to show you how to prepare this part in SolidWorks software. First I will take this as a base. The dimension is 100 and height is 100. Here there is a R22 and dia 22 mm. Friends, if you are new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe my channel. Part So here change the unit, select extruded boss, select the right plane, select line, create one center line first, select circle, (44) and dimension is 100 mm. Create one more circle, select line, give the dimensions, and this height is 66 mm. Select three lines, mirror entities, mirror about center axis. OK. So finish sketch. Select this face. Thickness is 10 mm. OK. Here select sketch again, extrude, select this circular part, here mid plane, 40 mm. Control 7. Next select this surface, sketch, create here two circles, 32 and 18. This is 64 mm and third circle is 36. Select line, trim entities, trim these lines. So finish sketch, select extrude, the length 64 mm. Next there is a R15 circular part on both sides, thickness is 12 mm, pitch is 80 mm. So for this we can select bottom surface, sketch, create two point slot, So from the side 32 mm. So this is not straight. Select this line and give the vertical constraint. Now it is straight. From the side there is a 32 dimension. So this is 15 and here there is a diagonal circle. So this dimension, I think from center point to here. Create line here. Select convert entities, select this circle, create one line here. Okay, think no need to create the line. Trim entities. So finish sketch, extrude, select this first, reverse the direction 22 mm, select again sketch. We can do this mirror also. Control 7. Next there is a rib 10 mm thickness. Select the front plane, sketch. So finish sketch, select the rib, thickness is 10 mm. Okay, select again rib, so we need reverse direction. Next there is a back side, one flange is there. Select this surface, sketch, select here corner rectangle, finish sketch, extrude up to 10 mm, Control 7. So I hope all the features are added. If anything is missing, you can leave the comment below, friends. Assign material here, edit appearances, so we can assign the color as per your requirements. So that's the today's session, friends. I hope everyone enjoyed this session, and also thanks for watching this session. We'll see you in the next session.